Living in Clearwater, Florida, offers year-round sunshine, stunning coastal views, and warm weather. While these features make Clearwater an incredible place to call home, they also create unique challenges for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient indoor environment. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment for Clearwater residents, providing benefits that go far beyond aesthetic appeal. Here's why energy-efficient windows are a must-have for Clearwater homes and how they deliver long-term value. Lower energy bills year-round. Clearwater's warm climate and sunny days mean air conditioning systems often work overtime to keep homes cool. Traditional windows can allow heat to transfer easily, making your HVAC system less efficient and driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to reduce this energy loss. How they help save money. Insulated glass, double or triple pane glass with inert gas fills, like argon or krypton, minimizes heat transfer. Low E coatings. These special coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to filter in, reducing the need for artificial lighting and cooling. Tight seals. Advanced weatherproofing ensures your windows are airtight, preventing drafts and keeping indoor temperatures consistent. By lowering energy consumption, energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce monthly utility bills, providing immediate savings for Clearwater homeowners. Enhanced comfort in Clearwater's climate. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home cool during Clearwater's hot summers and comfortable during cooler months. Their advanced insulation ensures a more consistent indoor temperature, regardless of outdoor conditions. Comfort-enhancing features. Temperature regulation. Insulated glass and weather-tight seals keep cool air inside and block heat from entering, creating a pleasant indoor environment. Reduced humidity. Energy-efficient windows help manage humidity levels, reducing the risk of mold and mildew in Clearwater's moist climate. Quiet interiors. Multi-pane glass reduces noise from outside, creating a peaceful living space. With energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home without overworking your air conditioning system. Protection from UV rays. While Clearwater's sunshine is one of its biggest draws, prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. Energy-efficient windows provide built-in UV protection to safeguard your home's interiors. UV blocking benefits. Protects furnishings. Low-E glass coatings block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, preserving the color and quality of your furniture and fabrics. Healthier living spaces. Reduced UV exposure creates a safer environment for your family. Bright without damage. Enjoy natural sunlight without worrying about its harmful effects. This added protection ensures your home stays beautiful and functional for years to come. Increased curb appeal and home value. Energy-efficient windows are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. They come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that enhance your home's exterior while increasing its resale value. How they improve your home. Modern designs. Sleek, customizable window options elevate your home's curb appeal, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Durable materials. High-quality frames made from vinyl, fiberglass or aluminum maintain their appearance despite Clearwater's salty air and humidity. Market appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable among homebuyers, offering a strong return on investment. Installing energy-efficient windows is a cost-effective way to boost your home's value and marketability. Long-term durability for coastal conditions. Clearwater's coastal environment poses challenges like salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient windows are built to withstand these conditions while maintaining their performance and appearance. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, fading, and corrosion, even in harsh coastal climates. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated options protect your home from wind and debris during storm season. Low-maintenance design. Advanced materials require minimal upkeep, saving you time and money. Energy-efficient windows are a reliable investment that delivers lasting value in Clearwater's challenging climate. Environmentally friendly and sustainable. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is not just good for your wallet, it's also good for the planet. By reducing energy consumption, these windows contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Environmental benefits. Lower carbon footprint. Reduced energy use decreases greenhouse gas emissions, helping Clearwater homeowners play their part in protecting the environment. Sustainable materials. Many energy-efficient windows are made from recyclable or eco-friendly materials. Energy Star certification. Look for Energy Star rated windows to ensure maximum efficiency and sustainability. Choosing energy-efficient windows aligns with Clearwater's commitment to preserving its natural beauty for future generations. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Clearwater residents, offering immediate and long-term benefits. From lower energy bills and enhanced comfort to UV protection, increased curb appeal, and durability, these windows provide unmatched value in a sunny, coastal environment. If you're ready to upgrade your home, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With expert guidance and high-quality options, you can enjoy the many advantages of energy-efficient windows, making your home more comfortable, stylish, and sustainable for years to come.